Hello again. So one thing that will really help you, okay, in understanding lessons in whatever subject, not only science, is to build your vocabulary. So one of the things that you will be always doing for me is to list down the vocabulary words, okay? Because if you know the vocabulary, then you will understand what you're reading. And if you understand what you're reading, then you will be successful because you know what the topic is all about. Okay, so as you can see here, you have 4 tabs. You have home, assignments, lab reports, and topics. Okay, so where are you going to put your vocabulary words? Since it's an assignment, we want you to put it under assignments. Okay, however, I don't want you to keep on piling all your assignments here. You can see you have some vocabulary words here, but I want you also to keep your vocabulary words for each topic in one tab. Okay, so all the vocabulary words that you will be having for the first lesson should be put under safety in the lab. So what I want you to do is to go to pages, okay, add another blog page and entitle this vocabulary words and safety in the lab. Enter. Okay, as you can see, it's down here. I don't want it to be another tab. I want it to be a subtopic of assignments. So click and drag it under assignments, but move it a little bit to the right. Okay, so you can see it is now under assignments. Okay, so if you go back to build, okay, you will see that if I go here, you will find that you have a subtopic, vocabulary word, safety in the lab. Okay, so this is your page. So you add a new post. Okay, what is the title? Vocabulary words, safety in the lab. Okay, so there are 5 or 6 different lessons here, and you will be learning all the vocabulary words. Okay, so let's grab a text element and put that over there. So let's check what are the first vocabulary words that you have. Okay, so let's go to year 7 assignments. Okay, so over here you have 3 vocabulary words: hazard, concentrated, and diluted. Okay, let's see in assignment 2. Do you have any vocabulary words there? Yes, a lot of them. Okay, oh sorry, here are your vocabulary words. Okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus the 3 in the other assignment, so you now have a total of 9 vocabulary words. Okay, so let's start with assignment number 1, vocabulary words. So you have hazard, concentrated, and diluted. So go back to your page. Okay, okay, so we now have your vocabulary word number 1. Remember, you can use this one to give you the numbers. So hazard, so write the definition. Okay, then you have number 2, concentrated, then write the definition. Okay, and then the number 3 one is diluted, write the definition. Okay, so that's assignment number 1. So save. Okay, and if you want me to see, you need to click on, remember, publish. If you just save, your teachers won't see it. Okay, so this will take you to your website. So let's check it. So you have your assignments, vocabulary words. There you have it. Now, you know that assignment number 2, okay, has another set of vocabulary words over here. Okay, you have flammable, toxic, irritant, etc. Okay, so how will you add it? Okay, so you want to use the same thing. You don't want to add a new post. You want to add it to this one. What do? As you can see, when my cursor is over here, the cursor is this arrow thing over here that keeps on moving. When my cursor is over here, what comes out over here? Edit post. So all you need to do is to click on edit post, and then you can add on your next set of vocab words. Flammable and whatever. Okay, and what else do we have? Toxic. Okay, toxic. And you have irritant, and so on and so forth. Okay, so when you're done with that, click on publish changes. Okay, and it's publishing your post. And if you want to check if it did come out, then click on that one. Go to there you go, and over here you have your updated vocabulary list. Okay, so once you have, everybody has the laptops already, then we can start taking our short vocabulary quizzes during the beginning of class time. But for now, it's still important for you to know all of this. Okay, another thing, you also need to make it a practice so that you will memorize or remember these vocabulary words. You can use okay, let's see, you can use Quizlet. See, this is a very good site which will help you, with all your studies, not only in science but in all other subjects as well. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, you can send me an email or ask your teachers. Okay, if you want a little more help, if you can't understand this tutorial and you need a little more personal help, just tell me. Maybe I can meet you during break time or during your lunch time. Okay, once you get the hang of Weebly, it's very easy to use, and as I said, it's a good online portfolio. It will really help you when end of year exam time comes. Okay, as usual, bye bye.